Hello friends, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will learn about do while activity. With help of do while activity, we can execute block or group of activities again and again until expression we specified in condition section is not evaluated as false. We can also use do while activity to iterate elements of array or list. Do while activity mainly consists of two sections. First one is body section. It contains set or group of activities that are executed for each iteration. Second section is condition section. In condition section, we specify an expression which is always evaluated to return Boolean value, either true or false. And body section executes until expression is evaluated as true. Now, what is the difference between while and do while activity? As do while evaluate condition expression only after first iteration, so body section is executed at least once even if condition evaluates as false in first iteration. To demonstrate about control flow statements, I have already created one project by the name of control flow demo. Here, to demonstrate about do while activity, I'll create a new workflow using sequence. I'll name it as do while activity demo. I'll add some annotation. Do while activity to demonstrate how to write numbers between 1 to 10 along with their sum and average to a text file. I'll create two variables, num with data type integer, another variable sum with data type integer. Now I'll drag a do while activity. As we can see, do while activity consists of two sections. First one is body section. It will contain a single activity or set or group of activities that will be executed for each iteration. And here is condition section. Let me specify one condition over here. I want to execute body of do while until value of num is less than 10. For each iteration, we need to increase value of num. For that, I'll use an assign activity. Now, I'll write this value of num variable to a text file. For that, I'll use append line activities num.toString. Here I need to specify name of file to which these contents will be written. I'll mention numbers.txt. sum.txt. If you will execute this workflow right now, it will add all the numbers between 1 to 10 to this text file. But as we have to write sum and average also, for that first we will calculate sum. I'll use assign activity for that. I have calculated sum. Now I'll use append line activity. Here I'll write value of sum to this text file. I'll mention sum of all numbers is sum.toString. Here I'll mention name of file numbers.txt. I also want to write average of all the numbers. For that again I'll use append line activity. Here one point to note is that I have used these two append line outside do while activity, as both value of sum and value of average will be written to the file only once. So here I'll write average of all numbers is, I'll write plus sum divided by num dot toString. Here I'll mention name of file. So this workflow is complete. Let me execute this. Execution is complete. Now let me check the output. As you can see, all the numbers between 1 to 10 are written in this file. Then in next line, sum of all the numbers is written and then average. This is how do while activity works. With this, I will wind up this session. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.